Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. It's the next morning. I'm still really tired, but no time to waste. We are in the heart of Paris. Look at this view really quick. That's not the only view. Let's walk up all these stairs and recap real quick. So yeah, you know, growing up, I watched a movie a couple times. It was actually a movie that kind of creeped me out. The Hunchback of Notre Dame, right? It was a creepy little hunchback dude. So I knew coming to Paris I had to see it. But would you guys understand something really quick? It's not Notre Dame. It's actually pronounced Notre Dame. And I feel like a Notre Dame ass for saying Notre Dame so much. But are you ready for the view? Let's look. Yeah, pretty beautiful. So, man, this is lively. Look at the French police. Crazy. We gotta get across the street, check that out. We're actually getting a lot closer now. And it's way more beautiful up close. It's actually massive. When you think about it, it's crazy. It burned down, and then I guess after that, all these children made art for it. Yeah, it's beyond beautiful. Paris, oh my God. So I figured out what the Eiffel Tower is. It's about a 40-minute walk this way. That's a good way to see the city, right? Look at these old bookstores, bookshops everywhere. It's one thing I did know about France. They love to read their books. But yeah, look at this building. One of the things that you notice most about traveling, especially when you travel abroad, probably anywhere in your local states too, is the aroma. You smell stuff as soon as you touch down. And this city has a smell. I can't really put my finger on it. Walking along this river, you see? Very beautiful. There's something out of the corner of my eye. You see right there? I think that's some kind of tower or something. Have you heard of it? The Eiffel Tower? No, I'm just playing. I don't mean to be trying to imitate the French, but I think it's Eiffel Tower. So yeah, we're getting pretty close. I gotta say, man, by far, most beautiful city I've ever been to in my life. All right, so from Notre Dame to the point where I'm at, it's been over an hour. And in the last little bit, I was like, hey, can you see the Eiffel Tower right there? That was like 25 minutes ago. Everything looks close, but it's so far away. But look how massive this thing is. Yeah, pretty crazy, pretty big. Look, they even sell like little Eiffel Tower trinkets. I don't know if trinkets is the right word, but they're pretty cool. But let's look. A closer look. From far away, it didn't seem too tall. It seemed big, but not too big. But now, yeah, very beautiful. Let's see if we can get a better view of it. I know it's gonna be hard to say it's beautiful wherever you go, but I'm thinking maybe we can see a better view.
Yes, another one, 200 double for you. Look the ball, I can follow the ball, no box, I can find the ball, look. I can
Scam. If you ever see somebody winning, the people that are winning that are in on the scam. So then it makes you think you can win too. But in reality, it's not gonna happen. And if you do, you might win.
She's in your place. Thank you.
Of course. Boy, I think that lady just finessed me for €1 for a baby operation. First I said sign. I said, I'll sign. Maybe it's, what's the word? like signatures. You get enough signatures, you get a what is it called? Man, I can't think what it's called. Where you get like enough signatures to do something. I don't know. I thought that's what it was. Sign, put postal code, already sketchy, and then it says donation amount. I said, oh man, I seen 10, 20, 30, 40 euros. I'm fine, no thank you.
Don't worry, be happy.
It's okay, it's okay.
No, I saw you, don't worry, no bad boy. Africa.
I don't want it, don't want it.
Why you
I'm busy, America.
Why you worry? Be happy, man.
I am happy, I'm busy. No, thank you. Thank you. Got to avoid the scammers out here, man. They are on it. You cannot finesse a finesser. Do you know that? I know that. It is alive out here. Crazy. Look at this. It's so beautiful. Well, bruh's gonna get me copyrighted in a foreign country. Man, look over here. Guys, I think we found the best view. I gotta say. To be honest, I kinda wanna go back around all the scammers and see what other kind of stuff they'll try to pull on me. Let's make one more pass through. The guy just tried to put something on my finger. I didn't want it. Lady made me donate €1 for a fake baby. Poor little baby. Let's see what happened. No, thank you. There's a lot of stuff going on. Oh, I smell hashish, doja. Let's see the finessing. People are winning. But they're not winning. They're really not. All these people are in on it. See, she's in on it too. Pink hat lady's also in on it. Man, they are finessing out here. Everybody that's in on it actually looks like they're in on the scam too, which is crazy. You can tell they're in on the scam. Look, somebody will come up and he'll say double money. See, look. He's awesome. He's in on it too. He said yes so much. It's too funny. Too funny, man. It's not even a good scam. They're not even great actors. Then you have people walking around with the things that I did saying, save this baby. God dang it. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Yeah, I don't know. Nobody tried to scam me when I walked through. Oh, look, this lady's getting in the scam. Look, she doesn't know she has to pay yet. Let's spin around. Scam there. And scam there. And now she's pointing at the donation. She said donation. Oh, look, and now she doesn't know. It's so crazy. Oh, so she said she doesn't have it. She said, oh, I don't have any money. You've got to avoid the scammers at the Eiffel Tower. This is facts. It's so funny, when I started this video, I thought, I'll show you guys some Paris. It's beautiful. It's not hard to make content here. There's a lot of beautiful stuff. And I was trying to think, what would be an appropriate video title? How beautiful is this city? The most beautiful city in the world. There's a lot of stuff. But then the scam started happening. And I knew that would be the title. Called, let's see, what will title this video? Avoid the scams at the Eiffel Tower. That sounds pretty good. So, look at this view real quick. Everything's under construction here. I don't know if it's a good or a bad thing. Why is everything broken? But everything's still really beautiful. It is an amazing day. It's got to be 60 degrees, 50 degrees, something like that. Not a cloud in the sky. All right, there's some clouds in the sky. But sunny, nice, and the perfect day, perfect temperature. It's pretty big when you get up close to it though. It did not look that big from far away. You can pay like 50 euros or something to go to the top, but keep it real with you, I'm not a fan of heights. I get that wobbly leg syndrome. I don't know what it's called. Yeah, but it's very, very beautiful. I don't know. I've seen a lot of other stuff here that was more beautiful in my opinion. this is a little underwhelming. I mean, it's really cool, but there's a lot of other cool stuff I think I've seen so far. It was probably more beautiful. So, all right, I think I've finally got a proper feel of the city. It's unlike anything I've ever seen. It's beautiful. The people are friendly. I heard horror stories about it being expensive, but I just ate at a restaurant right across the street from Notre Dame. I mean, like within 100 feet, and it was $4.50 for a crepe. You're not gonna get that kind of price anywhere else. It's pretty cheap. As opposed to if you were in New York, I would say in Times Square, you're not gonna get a $4.50 crepe. So I don't know. I think it's however you like to spend your money. It can be expensive, it can be cheap. One thing I do love, as you can see right now, I'm on the metro. I love the metro system. Like, I truly love it. You can take a bus to the train station and a train through anywhere in the whole city. And that's what I've done, and that is extremely cheap, and all day pass is like 16 euros. So, again, extremely cheap. And it's a good way to see the city. So, what did we learn today so far? Avoid scammers at the Eiffel Tower, because yeah, we don't want to be scammed. And the Paris it holds up. People always say it's the most beautiful city in the world, and you can say that's subjective. I think that's pretty close to being factual as I've seen so far. I'll say this: it's probably the most beautiful large city in the world. I'm sure there's smaller towns and cities that have their own charm. So yeah, I mean, this is just day 2. I have a million more ideas and a million more things to film. So I'll leave you guys here. See you soon.